I want to address one very common misconception about lucid dreaming. People think, oh, a lucid dream is a dream where I control the dream. I would say a lucid dream is a dream where you know that you're dreaming as you're dreaming, and this gives you voluntary influence over the dream. It's more an interaction, a co-creation, intermingle. I was like, is that a sexual term? I don't know. But it is a co-creation with your own subconscious mind, with your inner dreamer. The inner dreamer is the part of your brain, of your consciousness, that creates your dreams for you, that does the theater of your dreams. And again, it's a relationship that has to be approached with respect. And I would say, if you deeply immerse yourself into your dreams, there is no other way to approach it with respect, love, and wonder. And as many people know, in a lucid dream you can do anything. That's what is being said. And you can kind of do anything, but your dreamer, your dreaming consciousness, your subconscious, has a lot to say. Because you could shout out, you could want to do something, and a part of you will block you from doing it, because that part knows what's best for you. Like in a lucid dream, you're in a very protected state in your mind, and your subconscious will make sure that you never go further than you're ready to go, which I think is great. And even if you, like, let's say you want to fly, and then you're flying, and still, what happens as you're flying, and the whole dream landscape and everything, it's all out of your control. It's all happening. I think it is a very arrogant approach to say, I control the dream. And why would you want to control the dream? Like, why would you want to have total control over your dream when you know there is this incredible intelligence of yours that already knows what's best for you and is working in your favor along your side? So I think this is something we can completely relax and trust, and then we can still, like I said, I believe it to be a co-creation. You can be like, hey, I want to heal this and that, and then what's gonna happen as a result, how the lucid dream is gonna present it to you, it's out of your hands, and that's cool. That's I think that's the magic of it. Yeah, and as the lucid dreaming teacher Charlie Morley, I'm learning from, awesome guy, saying is that hug everything, whatever comes your way. If it's scary, if you get scared, hug it. If it's annoying, if it's aggressive, hug it. Like, my mom did definitely do some trouble in like a semi-lucid dream I had, and I was like, oh wait, I'm dreaming, I can hug her. And I kind of forced her into a hug, and some people are like, oh, why would you force her? It's in your own mind. Like, some things are resisting love, so you can give. I personally find it okay to sometimes wrestle a dream creature into a hug, and give it the love. And what happens is, in my experience so far, that part completely relaxes. And yeah, that part relaxes and becomes integrated in a way. And I just thought, did I just contradict myself with saying like I have no control and wrestling dream characters into hacks? But that's what I mean with co-creation. Like, I wouldn't know prior that this dream character shows up or what it does or however, and I can still use my influence in a way that I can bring integration and healing. Like, I'm just wondering if people would be like, I mean, maybe you go and experience it for yourself. That's what I would say. If people would be like, hey, yeah, like wrestling down someone in a hug, that's very intrusive or something. But then, yeah, I think all I can say is that it's your own mind, and sometimes you will know, oh, this part that is really going crazy right there needs a big hug, and maybe it doesn't want the love first. And then, yep, you wrestle it down and give it love anyway. um, I mean, wrestle it down lovingly. It is not like a punch thing. I was like, oh my gosh, like, I know, I probably, for people who never experience it, that just sounds oddly weird. It's just, maybe it sounds as weird as when you talk about reality checks, which is one very efficient technique for having a lucid dream. And if you're explaining how reality checks works, it just sounds super weird. I figured out, but I'm gonna do another video on this. Thank you for keeping up with me. And yeah, just hug it.